The Table Mountain Cableway operation is carbon neutral. We offset our carbon emissions by investing in the Kuyasa Housing Project, a project that is very close to our heart.
My name is Wahida Parker and I'm the Managing Director of Table Mountain Aerial Cableway Company. I'm very happy to be out here in Khayelitsha this morning.
My name is Zukonda Mane. I stay here in Kuyasa. I work for the project called Kuyasa CDM Project. It's a project where we install solar water heaters, insulated ceiling and electrical wiring in a low-income housing.
Every initiative that goes into this Kuyasa project not only talks about green energy, but it's also about creating work. Because a number of our staff are from this area, you can see why a project such as this is very close to our hearts.
My name is Ntomizonke Njanga. I'm staying here in Khayelitsha. I've got a small boy, 3 years. I was living in Philippi, and then I came to move here in Khayelitsha last year. But it's much better, the water are warm, it's not costing us electricity. It had a fast. You don't have to boil some another water.
The Kuyasa CDM project started in 2002. We piloted 10 houses. In 2008, it was a mass rollout of the Kuyasa CDM project in all 2,300 houses. Because we sell the carbon credits for the insulated ceiling, the energy-saving lights, and the solar water heater. And even at 3, I haven't calculated for 2,300 houses, but it's 2.8 tons per house. The Kuyasa CDM project changed lives of the people. Everyone benefited in this project.
Because we're committed to abiding by global initiatives in making sure that our planet survives long after we're gone away.